Tuesday. I was gonna say happy Monday, but it's not Monday. Welcome to week 3. Yesterday I had an exam, and because of that I was so tired, so I didn't actually do anything yesterday. Even today when I woke up I was like, oh, I'm tired, I don't want to do it. And I'm like, no, you need to be positive about it. I'm gonna work out, I want to work out, and it's gonna be good. Okay, so it's gonna be amazing. I have energy, I'm not tired, so let's go. I don't know if you guys can see, I've got my umbrella. Today was awful, just awful. It started raining like crazy, so it started raining like crazy, and you know I skip at my park, so I was only able to do 10 minutes today, just about. But I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna do all that I need to do at home. Probably do like a Chloe Ting workout, even though that lady wants to kill people, but I'm in a tunnel now, so I mean I'm okay. But honestly, like, what happened, let me tell you what happened. I'm with Vodafone Voxy and I'm supposed to get all my social media unlimited and 6 gig of data. Tell me why they took everything off. They said, oh, I ran out of data. I should never run out of data because I have unlimited social media. So when I get home, I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna call them out on Twitter. I'm gonna call them out because it's no, because I'm paying money every month. Hello. Ooh, damn it. Yo. Hey guys, it's Friday and I just finished skipping. This is toothpaste, by the way, from this morning. But I need to wash the shirt anyway, so oh my gosh, I am so tired today. Like, I did not even want to do this, but I thought, you know what, I had to like encourage myself this morning. Like, it was so funny because I had to be like, listen, I know you're tired, but you can still do it. Like, you have to encourage yourself. I woke up at like, was it 8:30 or something like that, and I was just shattered. I said, you know what, let me just relax, let me just stay in bed for a little bit. And I just didn't want to get out because I knew that I had to skip. And then I started doing Chloe Ting's 10-minute workout. I'm just doing 10 minutes for now, and then I think next week I will up it up, because I want to see more changes. Like, I feel like I've been doing skipping and a little bit of running, but I want to like hit it. Like, I want to actually like, I want to see the difference quicker. And I feel like although I feel a little bit slimmer, although I feel better, it's not really showing on the scale. I feel like I need to like amp it up, and that's what I think I'm gonna do from next week. But it's just so tiring because I'm working, and I'm working evenings, so I do like a 5-hour shift from like 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. and that can change like at any time. This is the problem, it can change at any time. So that's really annoying because it's like I know that I'm waking up in the morning, I'm working out and stuff, I'm already tired, and I'm working in the evenings. So by the time I go to bed, I'm so tired to wake up early the next morning, if that makes sense. but just have to do what we have to do, I guess, and make it work. I just wanted to encourage you guys, whoever is doing this with me. Like, I know sometimes it's hard and sometimes you're just tired and just can't be bothered. Like, try and still make it. And if you're really tired and you can't do it, then take a break for that day, then go again the next day. Like, we move, we keep moving, we keep going till we get to where we want to be. And I'm saying this to myself because honestly it's tiring. I feel like I was gonna do a video, like proper video, but I feel like when you get older to some point, it's like you work out, and you don't really see the results. Like, you have to keep going, and it's like so annoying. Like, I used to work out for like a week and I'd be like, oh my god, I lost 5 kilos, I'm done, I don't need to work out anymore, I've done what I need to do, and I'm on to the next thing. But now it's like I've been working out consistently for 3 weeks now, and then even since March, that's not even like, because I've been doing different things, and then it's like, what is it? So I'm trying to stay consistent and okay, up my game and just try and, you know, build on it gradually. It's, oh my gosh, it's nearly 1 and I need to start work at 3. So let me see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some, maybe I'll do the Chloe Ting workout, and then I've not even had breakfast, nothing. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I've been actually working from home because I've been doing some training for this new job that I got. All of a sudden I got a call today, they want us to come into office. That's kind of messed up my whole day because I now need to leave the house early and I need to find something to eat, because if I'd been at home I would just come to the kitchen and just quickly have whatever is there, which is bad because this week I actually haven't been meal prepping as I ought to because I've been so busy with everything that's going on. So I would have just eaten whatever was in the kitchen, but since I need to go into the office, I'm thinking of taking a sandwich. My mom got these yesterday and I think they're still okay, but they were like reduced, you know, them ones that you can eat it like a day after. I usually do that. I get, you know, and I just have it the day after or something. There is roast chicken, bacon and stuffing, and this is from Tesco, or New York Deli, British pastrami, emmental cheese and gherkins with mustard and mayonnaise on rye and seed bread. This is what that one looks like. I feel like this one's a little bit more healthier. Should we go for this option? So I'll take that with me to work. But anyways, I haven't eaten since morning. Well, I haven't eaten since morning. I had a banana, but that's it. So I'm just gonna make a little smoothie and I'll have something else. I was thinking eggs. It's just all over the place. How are you gonna tell someone to come into the office like an hour or 2 before the shift starts? It does not make any sense. But yeah, I'm gonna make a smoothie. I've been using this from Aldi. This is a smoothie mix. Because I like to do green smoothies, I hate having to all the time trying to get all the stuff, like buying fresh spinach, fresh kale, all of that stuff, and sometimes it goes off as well. So I do prefer, like, I like the fact that Aldi has this already. So if you can't be bothered to get everything, it's called Green Smoothie Mix by Aldi, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It has a mix of spinach, kale, mango and apple in here. So it's really good. And if you use 100 grams, or okay, 80 grams will give you 38 calories. Carbs is 6.5 and protein is 1.3. So it's quite good. The calories are quite low. So I'm gonna have that, and I'm probably gonna have eggs on the side, and I need to rush, like I'm gonna have to take the bus. So you put the power on and then you click on it. So I just finished. Basically, this is my first meal of the day. Good old scrambled egg with onions and tomatoes and my green juice. Hope you guys enjoyed the little food portion of this vlog this week. I'll try and do more, but it's just like I'm at home and everyone is everywhere at all times. When I'm in the kitchen, someone's in the kitchen. Like, I don't want to be vlogging when other people are here because I don't want to be in the vlog. You get me? But I'll try and include as much meals as you want if you guys want me to do that. And I'm also gonna try and do meal prep this Sunday if I can. If I can, I will try and vlog it for you guys so that at least you know what I'm trying to eat in a week. But yeah, thank you guys for watching till this point. It's Friday today. I don't know if I said that. Friday today. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'm gonna skip tomorrow as well. I'm working tomorrow as well. Goodness gracious. I feel like I've had no break, but I'm working tomorrow 12 to 7 around that time. So I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys me skipping. I feel like I'm doing the same thing all the time and it's becoming redundant. So I might not actually take you guys skipping with me. I might just skip and then just get it going. So this is probably the last portion of this vlog. Let me know what you want to see in the next week. Actually, this is the first time I'm gonna, so this is week 3, but I'm just gonna post week 1 because I posted other stuff on the channel. So week 1, week 2, week 3, just if you guys let me know what you want to see more, then we can, you know, do that. Yes, I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna go. I hate rushing, but this is the situation that I've been put in. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Okay, this is gonna go on a Sunday actually. This my vlogs always go on a Sunday, so have a lovely week ahead. And you know, we can do it. We can, you know, do what we need to do to get the body we need to get. We can work out, we can eat healthy. Leave any motivational quotes, whatever you want to say, anything that you want to, any motivation you want to leave to me and to everybody else that's on this channel trying to lose weight, trying to, you know, change their lifestyle, just put it down below. I'm gonna go because I'm talking and I don't have time to talk. But yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.